Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen and her Unicorn Floaty. So let's get started. To draw Pusheen ready for summer, let's first start by drawing a soft curve right here, but it's going to be at a slight angle. So let's see here. Let's come right here and I'm going to draw a soft curve. And just notice it's at an angle because everything is going to be slightly at an angle. So then from there, I'm going to come up and draw the ears just like usual. Round off the tip and come down. So same thing on this side. Once again, it's at an angle, so just make sure, so about right here. And bring it down. There, that's the beginning. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. And bring this down a little bit more. Then let's come back right here in the center and we're going to draw 3 stripes. So just 3 little U's in this right underneath that curve. Then from there we're going to draw Pusheen Sunglasses. So I'm going to start say about right here. And I'm going to come all the way across to about right here. I'm just giving myself a point so I know where I'm going, and it's at the same angle as that. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a straight line all the way to my point. From there, I'm going to come towards the center, so say about right here, just to thicken up the glasses right there with a line, and then go ahead and connect with a curve to form these glasses. So once again, curve on the other side. Make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come on the corners right here and just give myself a little highlight on both sides. And then I'll just go ahead and shade everything else in really quickly here. So thank you for always loving my Pusheens that I've been drawing for you all through the years. And definitely let me know if there's other Pusheens you would love me to draw. And now that summer is almost here, not quite, but almost, I thought it'd be really cute to draw this Unicorn Floaty here for you. Okay, so we got Pusheen's glasses in. Now she's nice and cool. In between the eyes, we're going to draw the mouth. So right here, I'm just going to give myself a point. And we draw a curve that comes out on both sides. And there. Okay, so now we can finally work on the body. Let's bring this down. And I'm going to bring this side down. So about right here, kind of like the center of the glasses, I'm going to stop. So this is kind of like the tricky part because we have to draw the head of the unicorn. So stop about right here where the center of the glasses are. And I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. So this is the ear of our unicorn. Then from there, we're going to bring kind of this angle curve down, about right there. So say about right here, I'll stop and then curve it in. So let's see, I'll bring this down more. I basically want to create this floaty now, so I'm going to come about right here and round this off. So it's easier for you to go this way, definitely do that, but it's easier for my hand to go this way. So round it off and I'm going to go ahead and connect a curve all around Pusheen. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and work on the head. So right here, I'm going to pop, this is continuing, pop out a curve, nice and round. So say about right here, bring it in. And if you're using a pencil, finish the shape of the head first, but I'm going to stop right here, put in a little curve for our horn, and then continue. So now I'm continuing the snout area of our unicorn. So I'm just making it nice and round and I'll bring it in. All right, there. So let's come and draw the center, the horn, so right here, round off the tip, bring it in. And then the other ear right here. And so let's come about right here underneath this horn. I'm going to draw a circle for the eye so we know what's going on. Let's put this eye in first, and I'll put in a highlight right here. So circle and shade everything else in. There, now we know what's going on, right? So then about right here, I'm just going to lightly draw a curve all the way around to create my snout area. There. And then, you know what? I'm just going to add very lightly here an oval. Right there. Then to finish it off, so let's come right about here for the neck. And we're going to come around and basically follow this curve. So let's come back about right here. I'm going to draw the floaties going around, wrapping around Pusheen. So right here, I'm going to draw a curve to connect back to there. So, like I said, whatever is easier, either this way or that way, just create this curve around Pusheen. There, now she's now she has her floaty on, right? Oh, and before I forget, let's come back to where the sunglasses are around this area. I'm going to draw two whiskers. Almost forgot. And same thing over here. So this one and here. And then her stripes, let's not forget her stripes. So about right here, I'm going to add one and an indication of another one. From there, let's add the mane for our unicorn here. So I'm going to come about right here, just add a curve, and then I'll add 3 curves right here. Just nice and simple. And let's see, what else are we missing? Oh, okay, the hands. So right underneath the sunglasses, about right here, I'm just gonna have Pusheen's hand go like this on this side, and then maybe this one goes a little bit up. There, silly, right? Then let's finish her body. So let's imagine this being overlapped. It's gonna come out. So right here, nice and round. So same thing, right there. And just bring this down. And about right there, I'll stop and draw 1 foot. Continue my curve. And about right there, I'll draw the other foot. And connect. There. Okay, so then now we have to draw the tail. So say about right here, I'm going to pop out a curve for her tail, round off the top, and then bring it right back in. And there's 3 stripes, so 1, 2, and 3. And let's see here, are we missing anything else? Oh yeah, the unicorn tail. So let's come back in the and right here, and I'm just going to pop out this curve. Just an indication. And bring it right back in. There, so now our unicorn has more color that we can add to it. And that is pretty much it. Let's add a heart somewhere, right? I'll put it right here on Pusheen. There. So I really hope you love how Pusheen here turned out, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me to draw her and her unicorn floaty. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you